Well, after I got the pickup started, I took the skid steer out here and removed snow here so Caleb could get his car out. Put the skid steer right there. Everybody's out removing snow right now. You can see all the snow drift around my house. I got to shovel it off here, off my deck here, and I couldn't get up any further with my skid steer to remove snow on the right by the mailbox because them handles there, but you can see where I pushed the snow there, and it blew on my house. Look at the frost on there. You know it's cold when you see that on the window. Look at that. That's cool. I have no gloves on. You're just gonna see I'm already cold now, just walking out that few seconds there. But anyway, got most of it done as good as I can. So now I'm gonna grab the shovel and start freezing my butt off. And look at that nice cookie. Yummy. Cold cookie. It's kind of accurate, but kind of not. The wind chill is more the factor from the north, which is right over there. Brr. Yeah, wish me luck. Here's a true test of the new interstate battery cold start. I just come in here. We got a, I don't know if you can see I can't, hell of a lot of snow. So, and right now it's -8 below, and the wind chill is like really bad, but it may be warmer in the garage. So let's turn it on and see if the battery light comes on. I bet it will. Yeah. Oh, it didn't. It says 6 above. Let's see what it does. Started 10 times better with the interstate battery than it did with the motorcraft junk. Let's see if I can show you guys here. Kind of see the snow, see the big snow bank behind me. I have to put it in full drive, otherwise I'm gonna be screwed. She's cheating. Got the new mirror on there. I don't know if you guys see that. The other mirror, I wrecked it when I come in the garage by accident. I haven't driven this pickup for a week since I got my new Prius car. Because gas is so expensive here, I'd rather drive something cheap and preserve this pickup and not wear it out. But you know, the miles doesn't mean anything to me, but you just can see there. I love them gauges that I put in there. I don't like them old STX crap. She's got a exhaust leak down here, right there, where the catalytic converters are. And then over there it looks like things are dripping. Yeah. Got exhaust leaks all over. You know, that's just a Ford. That's what Fords do. Fords love doing that. I probably should back out of here before I got carbon monoxide out, but you don't need that crap. Oh, that actually went full of drive. Huh. Something went right for once in my life. I hate to slam it reverse right away because them fluids are really, really, really cold. Or, you know, back her up a little bit maybe.